In the world of luxury, every detail matters. Welcome to our workshop where precision meets passion. Our artisans are masters of their craft, boasting over 30 years of experience in luxury leather repair. Every repair begins with a meticulous assessment, ensuring that each piece is treated with the utmost care. With expert hands and an eye for detail, we revive high-end handbags from Hermes, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. Our techniques not only repair but also rejuvenate, bringing back the luxury feel and appearance. Each handbag tells a story. We ensure that your cherished pieces continue to shine for years to come. Trust in our expertise. With decades of experience, we treat every handbag as a work of art. Experience the mastery of luxury handbag repair, because your style deserves the best.